Hello, and welcome to a very quick and very simple bullet journal calendar for October. This time of the year is very busy for me, in fact, maybe even crazy. So I don't have a lot of extra time to do my bullet journal calendar, so I made a really quick one. It's just the basics. The front page has this little design and the calendar, and for the designs throughout, I really just did some little spots on the front here, and then I also made flowers on every page. I tried something new with the weekly setup, and I put a list down the left side, and then I put boxes for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the left, which aligns with my work calendar, which is why I did it. And then for Thursday and Friday, it's going down instead of across. And then Saturday, Sunday, the weekend is also going down. So I'm hoping I get used to this quickly. And then there's a little note spot down at the bottom of it. The last page is my traditional gratitude page where I will be filling in things that I am thankful for throughout the month. I really like purples and teals together, so that's why I use this theme with the blue and the purple, and it's just a little bit of an aqua, and the darker color is almost a green. But I like to do alternating weeks with different colors, so I did purple, blue, and then my gratitude page is some of each. Although I have been super crunched for time, when I was all done, I thought it needed a little something extra, so on the gratitude page, I added a few flowers in what I was hoping looked like random places, and then one flower on each page. Thanks for taking a couple minutes out of your busy schedule to spend it with me. I'm glad you're here and I appreciate you. Please have a great week and I hope you find some time for yourself. See you next time.